Hi everyone, it's Angela from Cake Angel, and today I'm going to show you how to make my dairy-free buttercream. So to start, we're going to take a 50-50 mix of shortening and dairy-free butter, and we're going to add that to our mixing bowl and mix it for 1 to 2 minutes until it's nicely softened. And I'm using the paddle attachment for this. And once that's nicely combined, we're going to start to add in the rest of our ingredients, starting with the icing sugar. And I like to add a little bit at a time so it doesn't overflow in the bowl. Next, I'm adding in some of my water and more icing sugar. And then I'm adding the remaining ingredients, the vanilla, the salt, and the rest of the water. And you'll notice that I'm using a clear vanilla extract so that it doesn't affect the color of the icing. And once that's done, we just want to give the bowl a scrape down to make sure everything is nicely incorporated. And we can have a final look at our icing. You can see that it's easy to stir. It's a medium consistency, which is perfect for piping on cupcakes and cakes. And there you go, it's all ready for you to colour. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and check out the other videos on our channel.